Are you an INTJ struggling to navigate the complex world of relationships? Discover the secret to understanding your unique MBTI type and unlock the to thriving connections with others. Stay tuned, because today, we're diving deep into the INTJ mind and revealing life-changing insights you won't want to miss. Picture this. You're an INTJ, the rarest of all MBTI types, like a unicorn in a field of horses. You're known for your strategic thinking and analytical prowess. But when it comes to relationships, things can get a bit tricky. Let's break it down with a real-life example. Imagine you're at a party, and you're trying to connect with someone new. As an INTJ, you might find small talk tedious and prefer to dive into deep, intellectual conversations. But not everyone is ready for that level of intensity right off the bat. So, how can you navigate this social minefield? First, recognize that your unique strengths as an INTJ can be an asset in relationships. Your ability to think critically and solve problems can help you and your partner overcome obstacles together. But it's also essential to develop your emotional intelligence. Practice empathy and active listening to better understand your partner's feelings and needs. Remember, relationships are a two-way street, and it's crucial to find a balance between your logical mind and your emotional heart. Now, let's talk about communication styles. As an INTJ, you might have a tendency to be direct and to the point. While this can be efficient, it can also come across as cold or insensitive. To improve your relationships, try to soften your approach and be more mindful of how your words might affect others. Another key aspect of navigating relationships as an INTJ is learning to be more flexible. You might have a clear vision of how things should be. But remember that your partner has their own ideas and preferences. Be open to compromise and adapt to new situations to create a harmonious relationship. Lastly, don't forget to show appreciation and affection. As an INTJ, you might not be the most expressive person, but it's essential to let your partner know that you care. Small gestures, like a heartfelt compliment or a thoughtful surprise, can go a long way in strengthening your bond. But what about when you're dealing with other personality types? It's important to understand that each MBTI type has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. By learning about these differences, you can better adapt your communication style and approach to foster stronger connections with others. For example, if you're interacting with an ENFP, remember that they value creativity and spontaneity. Be open to exploring new ideas and engaging in playful banter. On the other hand, if you're dealing with an ISTJ, focus on being clear, concise, and logical in your communication. They appreciate structure and organization, so make sure to respect their need for order. Understanding your INTJ personality type and how it interacts with others is crucial for navigating relationships successfully. By developing your emotional intelligence, adapting your communication style, and being open to compromise, you can create meaningful connections with people of all personality types. INTJs, now that you've unlocked the secrets to understanding your MBTI type and navigating relationships, it's time to put these insights into action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Psychology Facts for more life-changing content. And hey, why not share this video with your fellow INTJs? They might just thank you for it. See you in the next video.